In this quick 3-minute video, I will show you how to use KeyConnect to shortlist your key performance indicators. So let's assume that you have a file, a CSV file specifically, that contains all your key performance indicators or KPIs that you're interested in, and you need to figure out which of these KPIs are the most relevant to your business objective. So I'll show you how to do this in KeyConnect in a few quick steps. So the first step is to basically choose your file, and I've already done that. And it's like I said, it's a CSV file, and you just open up the file. It's right here, and load the data into the server. And so KeyConnect will show you all the data files that all the data channels that are inside that CSV file, and you want to select your target variable or your business objectives. In this case, we've selected the cost per unit shipped as the business objective, so I'm going to click on the target variable radio button for selecting that, and then I'm going to adjust my filter threshold and set it to a slightly higher level so that we capture all the relationships, and then run a quick target analysis. So KeyConnect is going to show you three charts. The first chart on the left here should come up in a moment. So the first chart that you see here, this bar chart, shows you the 4 KPIs which have a significant influence on your target variable or your business objective, which in this case is the CPU, or the cost per unit shipped. You can see the fuel cost has a significant influence. Almost 50% of the influence on this CPU is coming from fuel costs. Plus there's 3 other variables which may or may not be of interest to you. If you want to look at more detail into this relationship between the cost per unit and the fuel cost, you can see that this circle chart here has basically these 4 variables arranged in this fashion, and there's lines connecting your target variable to each of these other KPIs, and you see that the fuel cost per load has a has a thicker line indicating that the connection between the fuel cost per load and the cost per unit shipped is very strong. And you can verify that by looking at the scatter chart between the two. You can see that the strength of this relationship is pretty strong compared to, for example, one of the thinner lines. Let's pick the percentage of damaged goods, and so you can see that this relationship is almost non-existent. It's a very weak relationship. But of the 4 available relationships, this is, the fourth strongest relationship, and that's why KeyConnect has selected that. So now basically what did we get? Well, we had a list of 8 KPIs and 1 objective function. We reduced the list of 8 KPIs to 4, so it's a 50% reduction in your from your data overload. Now if you want, you can save this analysis and come back and repeat the analysis with maybe a slightly more stringent filter threshold, or you can even change your business objective to fuel cost per load. So there it is.